All right, I'm on my way to see a dear friend who I have not seen for a long time. So I'm so excited to see her kasi she's starting a new chapter in her life, a new leaf. So let's see her. OMG! Grabe ka! Oh my gosh! Congratulations! I can't believe. Parang it's so surreal. Kasi they sent me photos. Actually, si Z, kay Z. I was busy with the clinic. And then Z sent, Bea got married. And then I saw the photo. I think that's, mukhang totoo naman, diba? Kasi you haven't posted yet. Oo nga, kasi you haven't posted. But then when you posted, then I messaged you. Actually, magkakaroon ng bagong trend, B. Simple wedding.
Nonchalant.
Nonchalant.
I think it's setting a trend.
I know.
And I did my own makeup.
I saw that.
Yeah.
I checked your stories. And then lumalabas yung mga cake na they didn't know it was for you.
It was actually a gift from my best friend.
That's
Yeah.
why.
So for today's injection, we want to get...
Oh my gosh! Talagang meant to be. Alam mo, hindi ko na napakaya siya. Hindi niya alam ako Grabe.
Grabe yung glow.
Ikaw talaga.
Whatever day.
We're just happy.
Ninja.
Promise.
Yeah,
Masaya lang kami.
that's how it should be.
That's how it should
I know, dapat gano'n na nga si
Yeah,
wedding
yeah.
eh. The better to set
Yeah.
Ang patient ko today is Miss Bea Alonso ko. Ayan! Congratulations, V! So happy for you. My gosh, super so happy for you.
Thank you. I'm very
Yes.
happy.
So we're gonna start. Right, since V's back, as a newlywed, ayan. So we're gonna make sure na she looks good. So we're gonna do the 2-minute magic lift kasi ito yung favorite niya. In fact, di ba dapat pupunta kang Ivy before?
Oo nga. Sabi ko, gusto ko sana pumunta pero traffic.
I know.
Pero ngayon, post-wedding glow.
Oh, I know. Post-wedding glow.
Sabi ko nga, kasi pag nag-2-minute magic lift ako, automatically, chiseled talaga, tapos contoured yung face. Very instant talaga yung lift niya. I love it.
Actually, this is really a pre-event treatment eh.
Oo, kasi very
Yes.
instant talaga.
Yes, kasi you can see results talaga. Yay!
Love wins!
Yes!
Love wins!
Congratulations! Yes, I'm back.
Okay. Kahapon binalita natin yan.
Yes.
Nung nakita namin yung photo sa
Oo.
Billionario at Abante.
Tapos nagtsikahan na kayo ni ano.
Oo.
Akala ko nga fake news.
Pero finally, after all of the challenges, di ba? And honestly, sometimes you just need to focus on just the two of you. The more outside noise, mas ginugulo yung utak ng mga tao eh, di ba?
Ay, nako.
Sana
Ay,
hindi
ganun
nakikinig
talaga.
mami mo.
Ha? She's watching right now. Hi, Mom.
Hello, tita. Ayaw ka naming kaaway.
Oo.
Yeah, so anyway, well, unsolicited advice.
Ayan, sige.
Unsolicited advice. Manahimik na lang kayo at wag kayong magsama ng kahit kanino. Right?
Tignan mo ako umuoo, parang alam ko.
Oh, parang alam mo. Diba? I mean, I think at this time, they need privacy, right? And they should stay private. Dapat nga, mga ibang bansa yung dalawa.
Yeah.
Hindi ba? Para tayong mga matronang nakikialam sa, para mga tita na nagsasabing, wag na kayong makinig sa iba. It's only between the two of you.
That's right.
Right?
Si Willard daw pasok natin.
Oo nga,
Hi,
Willard. What do you say? Love wins, di ba?
Oo nga eh, nakikinig ako sa mga love advice niyo eh. Pwede mo bang dumulog?
Wala ka namang problema, ikaw naman. Kasi si Willard, ang kanyang motto is happy wife, happy life.
Yes.
Yun ang palagi niyang
Happy
sinasabi.
life, yes. Oo. Para walang away, masaya lang pag-uwi. Lahat ng sweldo ibigay sa misis.
Makinig ka, ha? Ikaw, ha? I'm directing it to you. Makinig ka.
Sino ang kausap mo?
Sabi ni Willard, happy wife, happy life. At lahat ng sweldo ibigay
Wife,
daw dun
happy
sa...
life.
Ay,
O
wow.
sino ang sinasabi mong makinig ka?
Kilala mo na yun.
Ayun. Nagtatagalog ba siya?
Oo naman.
Okay.
Oo, marunong siya. Kilala na rin ni Mon yan. Di ba
Yes.
nakilala mo
Yes,
yan?
that's right.
Husband, usually
Hi!
wala nang pwedeng ihirit. Confidential yung mga bank records ng mag-asawa.
Hindi pwede
Sasabihin ng wife
pasumpina.
yun sa husband. Oo.
Correct.
Yan ang
Hindi pa
aabangan
pasampina
sa
ng
Monday.
asawang lalaki.
Oo nga. Ako naman ang aking motto,
Oh.
para hindi na pinag-aawayan ng mga kayamanan na yan, magtrabaho
Be
kayong mga babae.
independent. Ang sinasabi ni Corina all the
Yeah,
time.
all the
Have your
time.
own money.
Yeah, and I think
Yes.
Bea does, right? I think
Yeah,
that's why,
I'm
for
sure.
me, the fans were also kind of confused. Why is there an issue when Bea is also very, very successful?
Oh, it wasn't about that.
Yes,
Apparently. Hindi natin alam hindi natin alam kung ano nangyari. Masaya lang tayong lahat dito na love
Finally,
wins.
yes. Congratulations.
Congratulations.